Welcome to Panama City, a vibrant capital where modern skyscrapers meet centuries-old history. From the iconic Panama Canal to the charming streets of Casco Viejo, this city is a treasure trove of culture, adventure, and stunning views. Let's explore what makes Panama City so special. No trip to Panama City is complete without visiting the Panama Canal, one of the world's greatest engineering marvels. Head to the Miraflores Locks Visitor Center to watch massive ships navigate the locks and learn about the canal's fascinating history. Fun fact, the canal saves ships over 8,000 miles of travel compared to going around South America. Next, let's step back in time in Casco Viejo, Panama City's historic district. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is packed with colonial architecture, charming cafes, and vibrant street art. Don't miss the Metropolitan Cathedral, Plaza de la Independencia, and the stunning views of the city skyline from the waterfront. And while you're here, grab a cup of Panamanian coffee or try some local treats like empanadas or ceviche. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Panama City isn't just about history, it's also a hub of modernity. The city's skyline is dotted with sleek skyscrapers, including the F&F Tower, which looks like a giant corkscrew. For the best views, head to the Causeway or one of the rooftop bars in the financial district. Looking for a relaxing escape? The Amador Causeway is the perfect spot. This scenic pathway connects 4 small islands and offers stunning views of the city and the Panama Canal. Rent a bike, take a stroll, or just enjoy the sea breeze. It's a local favorite. Art and science lovers, you'll want to visit the Biomuseo. Designed by world-renowned architect Frank Gehry, this museum tells the story of Panama's incredible biodiversity and its impact on the planet. The building itself is a work of art. Panama City is a foodie's paradise. Head to Mercado de Mariscos for the freshest seafood or Mercado de Abastos to try traditional dishes like sancocho, a hearty chicken soup or caramanolas, stuffed yuca fritters. And hey, don't forget to wash it down with a refreshing chicha de tamarindo. If you have extra time, take a day trip to explore beyond the city. Visit the Panama Canal rainforest for wildlife spotting, hop over to Toboga Island for a beach day, or even venture to the San Blas Islands for crystal clear waters and white sand beaches. Panama City truly has it all. History, culture, modern vibes, and natural beauty. Whether you're here for a weekend or a week, you'll leave with unforgettable memories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.